Hey everyone, Traveling Karina here. I am here on the Carnival Pride Cruise Ship and I'm going to show you a balcony suite with partial obstruction. It is my mom and Ted's cabin. They're allowing me to show you a little tour. Yeah, so come on in, I'll give you a tour. All right, so this is the main area. So you have a couch area here. It does turn into a bed if you have more than two people in the suite. Obviously there's the lamp and there's a little cabinet in there, table, and then you have two individual beds. They put them together or you can have them separated. You have that choice. But you have some cupboard space. You have a TV. They give you some waters, but the waters are not free, so you have to purchase these if you drink them. There's a safe in here, and then you also have a fridge, and yeah, a nice big mirror. You get an outlet over here. So now I'll show you the cupboard space. So you have a nice big closet here with a nice big mirror, couple shelves, and then you can hang some stuff, which is nice. And then there's also hanging capabilities in this one as well, and your life jackets. All right, so now we're going to show you the itty bitty bathroom. So show you the shower. So yeah, it's like I was saying, itty bitty, but it does the job. They give you shampoo and shower gel, and then you can bring whatever else you want, and sink area, and they give you a few shelves so you can put your stuff out. So now I am going to show you the balcony, and as I've mentioned before, it is a partially obstructed balcony. So what that means is you don't have full view outside, but it's still nice to have the balcony. This is what partially obstructed means. You have a lifeboat directly like beside you, so you can still see the horizon, which is beautiful, but you can't see down below, so you can't see the water below you. So yeah, it's nice. You still have the balcony, you get two chairs and a table, but you just have that nice orange thing in front of you. But you can still see the beautiful, beautiful ocean. You also get a towel per person in your cabin. These are complimentary for your trip, but do not lose them because they will charge you for missing towels at the end of your trip. You can exchange them at the pool area each day if you want to get a new clean towel. But yeah, just definitely make sure that you take them back to your cabin at the end of your excursion or pool activities. I forgot to mention the towel animals. You get one each night before bed, which is nice. The steward makes one up for you. So kind of cool. But yeah, that concludes the tour of cabin 5173 on the Carnival Pride. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for future content.